Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's move to this settings bar and tap to the second from the left button, so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. One of them is the show grid lines button here from the right, so just one tap to turn them on, another tap to turn them off. Now let me keep it turned on, and as you can see we have these lines in the preview. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the left button, tap to the grid lines and turn them off. So for now, in the preview they have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.